Mr. Cool.
Hey,
What?
we don't bark this early.
Who? Roof.
What did I just say? We don't bark this early.
Roof.
No.
I'm sorry.
That butt. Let me spank that butt.
Oh, yes. I'll take one boot, please.
I don't think he wants it.
We supposed to be asleep. Mama coming, we supposed to be asleep. I see.
Bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break